Hi, my name is Maaz and I'm a senior at Athens High School. Over spring break, I took care of the salmon in the classroom at Athens, Larson, Boland Park, and Martel. So now I'm going to walk you through the process of how I took care of the fish. The first thing I did was feed the fish. So now I'm going to wait a little while once they're done eating some of the food that I've already put in there. And right now I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on to make sure we can get the tank cleaned out. And then I'm going to start doing some testing on the water. Testing the water conditions are important because they need to be in the optimal range to make sure the salmon thrive and are able to grow. If the water is too far out of the optimal ranges, I change the water to make sure none of the fish die. When changing the water, I drain 25% of the tank first. Now that we've got all the additives in the tank, we're going to go ahead and refill the tank all the way back up to full. This is an important process because salmon are a staple in the Great Lakes and has been a part of Michigan's recreational fishing for over 50 years. It's important to have these salmon in the classroom to be able to showcase to students how salmon grow and the process needed to take care of fish and other animals. And that's the entire process. Thanks for seeing how I spent my spring break.